Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to reveal some incredible and natural toothache home remedies that will help you bid farewell to dental pain forever. We understand how excruciating toothaches can be, but fear not, as we've compiled a list of highly effective remedies that can be easily prepared at home using simple ingredients. Before we dive into these miraculous remedies, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our fantastic health tips. Number 1. Understanding toothache causes. Before we explore the remedies, it's crucial to understand the common causes of toothaches. Tooth sensitivity, cavities, gum disease, and dental abscesses can lead to unbearable pain. By identifying the root cause, you can better target your treatment. Always remember, these remedies are not a substitute for professional dental care, but they can provide relief while you wait for your dental appointment. Number 2. The power of clove oil. One of the most potent toothache remedies is clove oil. This natural wonder contains eugenol, a compound known for its analgesic and antibacterial properties. Simply dip a cotton ball in clove oil and apply it to the affected area for immediate relief. The oil's numbing effect will soothe your pain and combat any underlying infection. Number 3. Magical saltwater rinse. Saltwater rinses are an age-old remedy for toothache, and they work wonders in reducing inflammation and killing bacteria. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in warm water, swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds, and spit it out. Repeat several times a day and watch how the pain diminishes gradually. Number 4. Turmeric paste. Nature's healer. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it an excellent toothache reliever. Create a paste by mixing turmeric powder with water and apply it directly to the affected tooth. The curcumin in turmeric will ease pain and promote healing, leaving you with a smile on your face. Number 5. The Wonders of Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea is not just a soothing beverage, it's also a fantastic toothache remedy. Steep a peppermint tea bag in hot water, let it cool, and apply it to the aching tooth. The menthol in peppermint will act as a natural anesthetic, numbing the area and providing much-needed relief. Number 6. Garlic. Nature's antibiotic. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic with incredible pain-relieving properties. Crush a garlic clove and mix it with a pinch of salt. Apply this paste to the affected tooth for a few minutes. The allicin compound in garlic will combat the infection and alleviate your pain. Number 7. Ginger's soothing effect. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving abilities. Create a ginger paste by grinding fresh ginger and applying it to the affected area. The soothing warmth of ginger will ease your toothache and reduce any swelling. Number 8. Onion. The natural analgesic. Onions might make you shed a tear, but they can also provide immense relief from toothache. Slice a piece of onion and hold it against the painful tooth for a few minutes. The antimicrobial properties of onions will aid in killing bacteria and reducing discomfort. Number 9. Vanilla extract. The sweet pain reliever. Vanilla extract not only enhances the flavor of your desserts, but can also soothe your toothache. Dip a cotton swab in pure vanilla extract and gently apply it to the aching tooth. The alcohol in vanilla will numb the area and provide temporary relief. Number 10. The power of cold compresses. Cold compresses are an excellent way to reduce toothache-related swelling and inflammation. Simply wrap some ice in a cloth and apply it to the affected area for 15 minutes. The cold will constrict blood vessels and alleviate the pain. Number 11. Cucumber slices for cooling relief. Cucumber slices not only rejuvenate tired eyes, but also offer cooling relief for toothaches. Place a chilled cucumber slice on the affected tooth for quick relief from pain and inflammation. Number 12. Hydrogen peroxide mouthwash. Hydrogen peroxide can act as an effective mouthwash to combat bacteria-causing toothaches. Dilute hydrogen peroxide with water and swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds before spitting it out. This will help in reducing the bacterial load and easing discomfort. Number 13. Cayenne pepper. A surprising remedy. Cayenne pepper may seem counterintuitive for toothaches, but its active component, capsaicin, can actually alleviate pain. Mix a pinch of cayenne pepper with water to create a paste, apply it to the painful area for a few minutes, and experience the numbing sensation. Number 14. Activated charcoal. Toxin absorber. Activated charcoal is an absorbent agent that can draw out toxins and impurities. Make a paste with activated charcoal and water and apply it to the affected tooth. The charcoal will absorb bacteria and toxins, providing relief from toothache. Number 15. Tea tree oil. Natural antiseptic. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural antiseptic that can alleviate toothache caused by infections. Dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and apply it to the aching area. Its antibacterial properties will help fight off the infection and reduce pain. Number 16. When to seek professional help. While these home remedies can be effective in providing temporary relief, it's crucial to understand when to seek professional dental help. If the pain persists or worsens, or if you notice any signs of infection or swelling, consult your dentist immediately. Dental issues should never be ignored, and timely professional treatment is essential for your oral health. Conclusion. There you have it, a comprehensive list of miraculous toothache home remedies to bid farewell to dental pain forever. Remember, these remedies are meant to offer temporary relief until you can consult your dentist for proper diagnosis and treatment. Incorporate these natural remedies into your dental care routine and take control of your oral health like never before. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible health tips and remedies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.